I like YouTube. You like YouTube. Today, students, we're talking about the present simple. Now, this is for elementary level students, so this will be pretty simple. Let's have a look at the positive and negative forms of this grammar point. As I said, we're talking about present simple, and on this side, we're looking at the positive, and on this side, we're looking at the negative. This is easy. But there's just a few spelling rules that we need to look at more closely. All right, so I like to group the subjects into, well, two groups. I, we, you, they, and he, she, it. I think most teachers like to do this. And I do that because I, we, you, they are followed by a verb. We don't use an S, for example. So we would say, I play, or we study, or you go, or they have. All right? So I can say, I play baseball, right? We study English, okay? You go to school. They have a car. Okay? We can use those examples with those subjects. Now, this is the most difficult thing about present simple because most other languages don't change the verb this way. So with he, she, and it, we have to add an S or an IES or an ES, okay? Or sometimes there's no reason because English is crazy. All right, so for example, I would say I play, but he plays, okay? I play, he plays. Most verbs just add S. Most verbs just add S. I'll guess around 80%, just add an S. All right. We study, she studies. All right. So study has a Y, okay? English doesn't like Y for plural, or I guess for singular subjects, okay? So we take away the Y and we add IES. But maybe you're watching this video and you're like, Matt, play has a Y, but you just added S. Well, that's true. And that's because, like I just said, English, a little bit crazy. So let's quickly go over here and have a look at this. All right, I'm going to be like Mark. I'm going to be left-handed now. All right, so P-L-A-Y, play. Here we add an S, okay? Quite simple. Now, Y is because of this letter here, the letter before the Y. This is a vowel, right? A-E-I-O-U. So if we have a vowel before the Y, we just add S. Now, if we look at study, D, that's not a vowel, right? That's a consonant. It is not A-E-I-O-U. So we simply take away the Y and we add IES. All right, so plays and studies have a different rule, and it's because of this guy right here. Okay, so any verb that ends in an O will add ES. Okay, go, or many other verbs like wash, watch will add an ES. Okay, so SH is followed by ES. Watch, as you can see down here, is followed by ES. So CH, SH, X, O, most of these verbs are followed by ES. Okay, we'll probably make another video on specifically spelling rules for present simple. So that's positive. The last one here is has. Okay. Have changes to has. Okay. Why? There's no why. Just remember, you have no choice. Must remember. English is great, right? All right, cool. Okay, so that's the positive sentence. I play, he plays. Right? That's if we do that thing. I eat meat. Maybe you don't eat meat, so we need to talk about the negative. Okay, so I, we, you, they don't plus a verb. So I don't play golf. I play baseball. I don't play golf. We don't study German. Okay, I can't speak German. I don't speak German. You don't go to bed on time. Something like that. They don't have a cat. Right? All right. With he, she, and it, it's subject plus doesn't plus verb. No S on the verb. Here we have S. Here, no S. Okay. Why? Because the S is here. Okay. He doesn't play. She doesn't study. It doesn't have. Doesn't have. Okay. This has a Z sound. This has a Z sound. Doesn't have. Okay. He doesn't play. Okay. That's pretty much it for positive and negative forms of present simple. Here's just an example on the bottom here in purple. I teach English. I don't listen to music. He watches TV. He doesn't read books. So remember, we have the he must have an S. He must use doesn't if we're talking about the negative. So that's pretty much it. If you want to give us an example of your own, put it down in the comments below, and you can just write, I do this, my father doesn't do that, and we'll reply and we'll fix your English for you. So thank you very much. See you next video.